The KitchenAid Meat Grinder Attachment. Does it really turn your stand mixer into a professional grade meat grinder, or is it just another overpriced gadget? Today we're putting it through the ultimate test, grinding beef, chicken and more to see if it's actually worth your money. And since we're grinding fresh meat, why not put it to use? This double stacked cheeseburger was made entirely from freshly ground beef using this attachment, but does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. By the way, if you want to check out this KitchenAid meat grinder for yourself, I've linked it in the description below. Click it to see the latest price and reviews. Alright, let's talk about what you get with the KitchenAid meat grinder. This thing is built from solid metal, not plastic like the older version, so it feels premium and durable and will not crack like my plastic one did. And this thing has a solid 4.7 star review on Amazon with almost 10,000 reviews, so you know you're getting a good product. Hey party people, today I am unboxing and reviewing the KitchenAid Meat Grinder Attachment. This is the metal one. I also have the plastic one, and I will show you guys what it looks like and why I decided to get this baby. Yeah, let's open it up. I'm excited. I've been wanting this for a while, and I was truthfully waiting for the Black Friday sale, and I nailed it. So you got your getting started guide. I have not used this yet. I did open it just to take a peek because I'm too excited to not open it. You got the press, a little cleaning brush, which is nice. We got 2 sausage attachments. These are plastic, hard plastic. We got 2 grinding attachments, a small one and a medium one. And of course, we got, oh, and then there's a large one as well, right there. So 3 attachments, and it feels super solid. Feels really nice. We got the large one, the blade, just give it a quick rinse. First up, let's grind some partially frozen chicken breasts, which is exactly what you want for chicken patties. Grinding meat when it's slightly frozen keeps the texture clean and prevents smearing, so you get that perfect consistency for patties. That's looking really good, not too wet, and the strands are coming out nice and even. Works best when the meat is cold. And remember, this isn't just for meat. You can grind fresh breadcrumbs, garlic, onions, or even cheese. If you want to try this out for yourself, I've linked it in the description below. Just make sure your meat is cold and you'll get restaurant quality ground beef, chicken, or whatever at home. This grinder is a game changer, super easy to clean, and I love making my own blends. And if you want to start grinding your own chicken, beef, or even sausage blends at home, this attachment is definitely worth checking out. I've linked it in the description below. Click it to see the latest price and grab yours today.
By the way, if you want to check out this KitchenAid meat grinder attachment for yourself, I've linked it in the description below. Click to see the latest price and reviews.
So after grinding chicken, adding fresh ingredients, and making these patties, I can confidently say this attachment works great for poultry and beef and anything else you put through it. Just make sure your meat is cold and you'll get restaurant quality ground meat at home. And if you want to start grinding your own fresh meat at home, this attachment is definitely worth checking out. I've linked it in the description below. Click it to see the latest price and grab yours today. So until next time, get cooking.